Curds, sugar and cardamom is used to prepare the famous and pleasant sweet dish Shrikhand. But at the same time, Shrikhand can be prepared and enhanced with variety of flavors. In fact, it is truly a delight to prepare Shrikhand at home. Therefore, in this episode, let us learn the easy method to prepare 3 different flavors of Shrikhand at our homes. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The first step in preparing Shrikhand is to prepare hung curds. So here we have taken a strainer with a fine mesh. Once we have taken the strainer, onto that we are spreading a muslin or a makmal cloth. When we have this arrangement ready, the next step is to add 1 liter or 4 cups of curds onto this. After adding the 4 cups of curds onto this, we have to carefully and gently squeeze this to make it release the water. It is important to be delicate. If we over squeeze, then the chances of curds oozing out is high. After the first squeeze, to quicken the process, we can choose to fold the cloth delicately and then place a flat plate and a heavy object onto it. This quickens the process of preparing hung curds as well as to do it without any mess. After about 2 hours, we have the hung curds required for the recipe. Look at this, my dear friends. Without any mess, we have the perfect consistency of the hung curds. And by the way, for 1 liter of curds, we have extracted 600 ml of water from it. The chapatis prepared with the dough mixed with this water helps us get soft chapatis. Having said that, it is now time to beat the hung curds and soften it. After the hung curds is a little soft, it is time to powder the seeds of 8 cardamoms. Let us powder this finely with the help of the pestle and mortar. Once we have the powdered cardamom, it is time to prepare a basic mixture for our 3 flavors. So first, let us start by adding 100 grams or half a cup of powdered sugar to the hung curds, and then goes the powdered cardamom. Once we have added both these ingredients, let us beat the mixture thoroughly to have a smooth and silky mixture. All the 3 ingredients have come together perfectly. So let us divide this equally into 3 mixing bowls. For the first flavor of our Shrikhand, let us add 1 tablespoon of smashed pistachios. After pistachios, let us add saffron soaked in 1 tablespoon of milk. For the second one, let us start by adding a little bit of edible dry rose. As this is a rose flavored Shrikhand, the next goes 1 tablespoon of rose syrup and 4 drops of rose water. For the final flavor, it is a mango flavored Amrakhand. So here we are adding 100 grams or quarter cup of mango pulp. After all these additions to our basic mixture, it is time to give this all a good and a thorough mix. And by the way, all these three flavors taste brilliant with chapatis, puris, as well as to enjoy the bliss of it just like that. This is it, my dear friends. Our super easy rose flavored Shrikhand, Kesar, Elaichi and pistachio Shrikhand, and finally the Amrakhand or mango flavored Shrikhand is ready. If you like this episode, do click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, share it with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.